But as Mary Griffin reports, some local companies are using those tariffs as an opportunity.
This machine is building a satellite for the University of Victoria. At Rainhouse Manufacturing in Vic West, they build products for a number of industries, everything from circuit boards to naval contracts. And this past year has had its challenges.
There's some negatives, we've had challenges with tariffs.
Since the introduction of U.S. tariffs, Brown formed the Vancouver Island Manufacturing Excellence Association Alliance. With 200 members, they're focused on improving business opportunities in Canada and elsewhere. And it's working.
We had to pivot and think differently. And this really aligns with what I love, right? Because we're on Vancouver Island. We have all kinds of businesses here. We don't typically work together, and now I'm seeing that happen.
U.S. tariffs have forced island companies to pivot. Starfish Medical designs specialized medical devices used all over the world. CEO and President Scott Phillips says agility is key to future growth.
Diversification is definitely part of the strategy, selling all over the world. We're now selling the biggest two jobs that we closed in the last quarter. One was in Germany and one was in Japan, which was not the case in the past. We were primarily focused on the U.S. So we're looking at the world.
It's a different picture in auto manufacturing. The number of vehicles built in Canada is down by 1 million vehicles compared to a decade ago. According to a new report from nonprofit think tank The Trillium Network, U.S.-based auto workers Ford, GM, and Stellantis produced 56% of the vehicles in Canada in 2016. Last year, they produced just 23%.
We were really excited in 2020 and 2021 about all these new investments that are coming in, and very few, if any of them, have actually materialized.
Back at Rainhouse, Brome expects the company to continue expanding over the next several years.
With the right kind of investment, it's going to take a few years, really, not just 2 or 3. I think it's going to take a while, but look at the opportunities that we have.
He says growing Canadian refining and manufacturing industries is essential to the country's future.